Not at all. Yeah.
Not at all. Have you ever been adversely mentioned in any integrity-related report or investigations by any agency?
Not at all.
Not at all. Do you hold citizenship of any other country apart from Kenya?
No, only Kenya. And I have no interest.
What is your net worth?
I think that one I need to be my net worth is
What did you tell us?
about, where is that document? It's about 300, net worth is about 300.
You don't know your wealth of head?
No, not of, it's mine and my husband. So maybe what? It's 300 and what? 327,650,000.
How much were you worth when we last vetted you?
I was worth slightly less. When you vetted me, Mr. Speaker, last time, I was worth 218,400,000.
So you have had some nominal growth.
Kidogo. Some.
You've grown by 100 million.
I have grown in those 2 years. Yes. Yes. I was just a few adjustments. It is the properties that have increased in terms of appreciation in value. And then there was one tenant that was not paying my family rent, and they paid about 14 million, about sometimes in March. So
do you use your office to get them to pay?
My office of MP, of minister?
Yes.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Thank
I
you,
am
Alice.
not the one who corrects the rent.
Thank you, Alice.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
We have checked your documents and we find them to be correct, except you can tell us there were 9 memoranda against in response to you. Did you respond to them in writing? The clerk.
And I would ask that the committee adopts my response.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Unless you are lawfully held.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You are released to go.
I'm free to go.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a relief, Honorable Speaker.
It's a relief?
It's a relief. You know, I am jobless and I need the job. This is since 1985. This is one unique time when I am jobless. So, and I do appreciate the opportunity to be before the committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alice.
Thank you.